back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Roll out onto the Speedway for hot laps. Got 12 Bud Light Street Stocks here this evening. So a great turnout. William Collins there in that 66 machine going to work down the front straightaway. Trenton Salango in the 18 machine coming by. A good sharp-looking race car. I know that one says Collins there on the side. We'll look and see. So that's going to be the 18K of Kevin Collins. So check that. Kevin Collins down in turn one of that 18K. Just looked up and seen that 18. Field going to get the green flag as they pick up the pace now. George Pierce in the 47. She's working down the front straightaway. Pierce now picking up the pace. Behind him going to be the 7X of Larry Atkins. The 18K of Kevin Collins down into turn number one. Pierce going to work down into turn number one as well. Racetrack from top to bottom looking smooth as can be. Checkered flag in the other 47 going high side up on the turn number 3 and 4. Back to the checkered flag there for the 47 of Pierce. Sport Mods, be getting ready. Sport Mods, please be getting ready. Super Lake Models, Super Lake Models. We need you ready as well here momentarily. This is your call for final adjustments for Super Lake Models. Tyler Meadows in the 3 machine. Working off of turn number 3 and 4. Good run the other night down at Bulls Gap at Volunteer Speedway for Flow 9th in America. Green flag, there's Freddie Moody in the 6 machine. Will pick up the pace and they'll turn him loose. Here comes the 18 of Trenton Salango off of turn number 3 and 4. Salango going to move down the front straightaway in the right way, auto victory. Meadows behind him in the 3 machine. Freddie Moody in the 6 machine. The 1 going to come by as well. That is going to be Cam Perry. Caution is out as Salango is around over in turn number 3. Said great food in the concession stand. I highly recommend the honey ham and Swiss. Said I had one earlier on. They were great. Got some French fries as well. Maybe put some cheese, some chili on them. Get you something down the concession stand. They've got about anything you want coming and going. Ice cold drinks as well. Trenton Salango going to get loose again in the same spot in the 1. Coming in there, I believe that's the 9. Going to hammer the side of Trenton Salango's left side. Getting their sport mods to roll out onto the Speedway. For that first group, got 17 sport mods. Great car count here tonight. Harley Martin in the 22 machine, not picking up via timing and scoring here up top. Talking to him about the transponder, making sure that, of course, he's got it on the race car. Green flag in the air. We're going to turn them loose off the corner with Martin in that 22 machine. Followed by Kirby Suttle there in the 9 machine. The 5G of down. Oh, Rose around in the 5. Caution is going to fly. 3 machine going to pull down into the infield of Kenny Meadows. That may be the end of this session. And it looks like it as the rest of the field is going to make their way down as well. Around. Drivers being told pick up the pace. There's the green flag in the air. We're going to turn them loose once again. Sport mods out on the Speedway, continuing to work around the surface. The one of Jackie Wise going to come by. He'll see the checkered flag. Looking for our next group of drivers, next group of competitors in staging. Super Lake Models, you need to be getting ready. Super Lake Models, you need to be getting ready in staging. Sport Modified is going to roll out onto the Speedway. Chris Proctor in the 8B. Greg Callahan in the 16 machine. Aniston Bush. Super Lake Models to staging. Supers to staging. Super Lake Models to staging and stay. Bush in the 7B. Greg Callahan. Wes Hendricks. Bush looking good in the 7B. Fastest so far. First year racing sport mods. Fastest there for a little while, back to third now as Greg Callahan lays down a lap. Wes Hendrickson lays down a great lap coming to the checkers. Our Legends drivers getting ready to roll out onto the Speedway. So Sammy Jasper in the 45 with a 16.530. Bill Pritchett Jr. taking a little bit of time off there from the modified ride. Second quick so far, Travis Mills, Corey Willard, Brandon Haga in the 5th position. Dale Cox in the 83, fastest out of this group, six quick. But here comes the D11 of Zachary Dighton. He'll go to the top of the board. Zachary Dighton with a 16.412 for Zachary Dighton. Sammy Jasper, Bill Pritchett, still your top 3 there. Dighton in that D11 with that 16.351 at the top of the board. Travis Mills, 4th quick. Corey Willard in 5th. Sport Mods, we need you to be ready. Sport Mods, we need you to be ready in the staging area. Checkered flag is going to fly. Dalton Cox there in the 00 machine. Rodney Bailey in the 51. Colton Cox. Patrick Cox in the 32. All out on the Speedway here in the second group of Legends competitors. Here in SCDRA. Excuse me there. My bad. Park Center. Sporting Good SCDRA on the track. 23 of Colton Cox, Rodney Bailey. Sorry about that. Just a little bit of small update here. Trying to get things switched over. Just happened to look up. Dalton Cox at the top of the board with an 18.115. Rodney Bailey in the 51 entry. Going to be second quick. Colton Cox, then Patrick Cox. That's going to be your 4 competitors here for the Park Center Sporting Goods SCDRA competitors. Great food. Get those double cheeseburgers. Get those double burgers down in the concession stand. Get some chili, get some fries, get maybe some of them mozzarella sticks as well. Go visit our friends with, of course, the West Virginia National Guard. Checkered flag on that first group, and we've got Dalton Cox. Sport Mods, we need you. Sport Mods, we need you in staging, guys. Need you in staging. Josh Grimshaw to the top of the board with a 17.075. Landon Snyder in the 17 machine, second quick. BJ Grimshaw going to be third quick. Justin Sanders going to be fourth quick. Then it's going to be Dalton Cox. Rodney Bailey going to be sixth quick. Colton Cox and Patrick Cox going to round out 7th and 8th respectively. And that's going to wrap things up for our Park Center Sporting Goods SCDRA Sport Mods. To the staging area, Sport Mods. You need to be